In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add slow motion in Filmora 9. So this is actually quite simple to do, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can add slow motion to your videos or clips. So all you need to do is open up a clip in your timeline, and that's exactly what I did to start off. So I open up this clip in my timeline. Now once you have the clip, you want to make sure to select it. So basically click on it and then right click. Now once you right click, you'll find all of these different features, and you want to find speed and duration. You can also click on Ctrl+R. So this is speed and duration. Once you click on that, you'll find the speed. So if you want to put videos in slow motion, all you need to do is basically use this and then slide it over to the left. If you put this at 50%, it will be in slow motion. So you can see that the duration of the video changes as well. If you put this at a normal speed, which is 1, let's see if that works. Yes, there we go. You'll see that the clip will be 11 seconds. If you then do this at 50%, it doubles. So that's how you can put videos in slow motion, and I'll just play that for you guys as well. So you cannot really see the effect because there's not that much going on in this video, but yeah, that's how you can put videos in slow motion. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.